I would like to compliment Tata AIG on its completion of 10 years. My heartiest congratulations to them for this achievement.
It really stood as an underwriter which knows what they're doing.
The whole approach of the company to be one of wanting to try and deeply understand the issues that our clients have.
As India grows, I think this company will grow better.
It's one of the most ethical company which I personally have come across, and that's one of the reasons that we have kept each other trust for the last 10 years.
One more.
Can we have some other questions?
Can you just do it again?
Can you repeat the question?
Cancel it.
Repeat करना है.
What does Tata AIG mean to me?
A plethora of opportunities.
It's been more like a family.
Tata AIG is my baby, my family.
Primarily, it's the solidity.
Where we can make our career.
The people. If you have to be funny, you can say it's food for me.
If I say the world, my husband may not like it, but yes, it does.
Tata AIG is like the other woman in my life. I love her. I'm passionate about her.
It's a great brand.
Honesty, pride, best place to work at, great platform.
Dream come true.
Leadership.
Tata AIG is not a company, I think. It's more like a family.
One best thing about Tata AIG.
The professional freedom and the satisfaction you get after achieving a goal.
We are a very fair-minded company also when as far as claims are payable.
The freedom to act and the freedom to be.
Definitely it's people.
Fantastic learning it and work environment.
Anytime the way it treats the employees.
Intense focus for its customers.
Value that Tata brings and the professionalism that AIG brings.
It gives me good pleasure and satisfaction.
Our best years and our growth years are ahead of us, not behind us.
The Tata AIG culture.
Innovation and entrepreneurship.
It's an open leadership culture.
Self-driven people.
Very approachable.
Very customer-centric organization.
Rocking.
Culture of freedom.
It's a very open culture.
Takes care of their employees very well.
Employee-friendly and market-friendly company.
Like there's no work pressure, nothing. Always fun.
Learned a lot in this culture.
It gives you an opportunity to take plenty of initiatives.
The best moment.
The day I joined Tata AIG.
Last year when the commercial lines division crossed the 500 crore mark. I think every day is the best moment.
Ran for the first time 21 kilometers this year, Mumbai Marathon.
Where I was promoted as a team leader in customer service inbound.
Best performer for my work.
When I act, execute, and see the results.
I cannot forget that feeling when I entered this organization. I was taken care of very well.
Whenever we crack a new partnership or enter into a new bank assurance or an affinity relationship. The day that Delhi Motor made it first rupee, because that's supposed to be a very loss-making market.
Okay, one word about Tata AIG. I think they rock.
Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free.
Wow, dynamic.
It's super.
कोई कहे कहता रहे.
Okay, it's rocking. It's energetic for me.
Amazing. It's bale bale.
कुछ कहना तो चाहे मगर बोल नहीं पाए, जुबां खोल नहीं पाई मेरा शायर ओ मेरी बीवी.
Wonderful. Excellent.
हुए नामुअल My song is words. Smile, an everlasting smile. A smile can bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find, cause that could bring us nearer to me.
लेकुरा वाईला पुन्हा लागला आठवा तिचे डोहाळे कठीण म्हणे माहेरी पाठवा आता सासरचे काय हिला टोचतात काटे अव बघावं भावाजी काय रानातच आलं.
It's 3 words, life and fun.
Challenging.
It's trustworthy.
लाखों है यहाँ दिल वाले और प्यार नहीं मिलता आँखों में किसी की वफा का इकरार नहीं मिलता. Look into your heart and you find love. Nobody's clapping.
ફેન્ટાસ્ટિક. ટાટા AIG મારું પરિવાર છે.
Life.
ટાટા AIG આમचा પરિવાર आहे.
Best employer.
It's mind blowing.
Employer of my choice.
What describes me the most in terms of value?
Here is a customer first. I would value integrity and performance.
Empathy is the most strongest value I believe in.
Passion.
Passion.
Integrity is foremost in anything and everything you do.
Customer awareness and customer service orientation. Passion.
Integrity.
Customer first. Integrity and passion and a mixture of both.
People.
People.
Passion.
Performance.
I think passion is what describes me the most.
People and passion for me the most.
I've chosen green.
Green.
Yeah, because I believe whenever you go to a traffic signal, okay, green signifies go.
Because I love red. Red is my favorite color.
Oh, I like red.
I bought red, so I chose this color. It's my favorite color. It is good for eyes.
I don't know, I like this color.
Firstly, I love this company because I got my husband over here. I met him over here. Red signifies energy.
Go green.
Greenery represents India color, no?
It's a Pandu color for me.
I think secret I liked it. I thought, okay, I should stamp it.
It's royal. Purple is supposed to be color of royalty.
All of you go green.
Actually, it's the most attractive color I've seen. No, I consider it very auspicious, this color.
No secret.
Secret means it's a symbol of aggression.
Nothing, it's color of blood and it also shows that how many colors we have in our life.
No, it's just an openness. It's a broad angle or a vision like the sky.
Big picture which would display unity.
It symbolizes a teamwork.
Hands joining together, which will basically state a unity.
Unified Tata AIG logo.
I guess very colorful. Represents the multicultural aspect of Tata AIG.
We are signifying we're part of one family.
This is unity for Tata AIG.
This is the strength of Tata AIG. What we think is all together been reflected here.
10 years of Tata AIG. I don't know why you are taking only one hand. You should have taken both the hands.
Once we collage it, I think we will be like... You tell me. Can't guess.